Hi friends, welcome to our channel Foodies Corner. Today I am going to show you a veg strips in KFC style. Let's start the recipe. Here I am adding 1 spoon of oil and 1 spoon of jeera. Now I am adding 1 onion, 1 big size onion. Just saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. Friends, don't do more than 1 or 2 minutes. Reduce the flame. After this I am adding 2 chilies and half cup of carrot, half cup of frozen peas and half cup of corn, frozen corn. Friends, carrot set should be smaller than the sweet corn and peas so that it can boil easily. Some salt. Two spoon of chili powder. Two spoon of coriander powder. Two spoon of white pepper powder. Two spoon of jeera powder. 1 spoon of garlic powder. And a pinch of sugar. Mix it properly in the low flame. Here I have taken 5 small boiled potatoes. Now I am adding to the mixture. Around 50 grams of paneer to the mixture. Just mix it properly and switch off the flame. I am adding 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs as a binding agent. Don't skip this, friends. It is a very important step. You can add some more also if necessary. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Then transfer into the plastic sheet. This is kept in the plate. Just press with your hands freeze it for 1 hour in the deep freeze. You can also freeze it for 2 hours until it become stiff. Now we'll freeze it for 1 hour in a deep. I have taken 4 sandwich breads and removed all the edges. I am cutting into slices. And grinding in the mixer. Just pulse it out. Again some amount of corn flour. Repeat the step. We'll mix both the powders for coating purpose. Here I am taking half cup of maida and half cup of corn flour. Add some water and make a thin slurry so that we can easily dip and remove the veg strips. See friends, our slurry is ready. It should be very thin. Now after 1 to 2 hours, we will remove the strips and cut into slices vertically and horizontally. Around 20 strips we can make it from this recipe. We'll take each pieces and dip into the slurry of corn flour and maida and just roll in the breadcrumbs. If you want extra crispiness, dip it once again into the slurry and repeat the step. Oil is hot, friends. Let's pour the strips one by one into the oil. Just flip once or twice in between. Fry until it becomes golden brown and crispy. See friends, now our veg strips are ready. See how it is looking so nice. Let's check the inner part. See friends, outer layer it is so crispy and inner layer it is so soft. Our strips have become very tasty. So friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Foodies Corner. Thank you.